Abuziafo mo ankasa mati bi wo masum nkontompofo project amobae na ewo ho yewura Mahama ye ho hwehwemu nyina awie omampenye kufu ado se ye omo project na ekire se MPP for se omo ye omo di omo bohye so. This is what he said. Na di omampenye kufu ado kan no kwa na enye ya the backing vocalist nkontompo hene Alhaji Bawumia a dwumadie ni na esi ni na so no ono de okan ye bodie bobo omuntie.
In the northern part of our country where you come from, and Amono, can you beat your chest and say, yeah, this signature project in the north?
I think the most important project here in the north since independence, a Palogo Dam project.
Okay,
is the biggest investment. Say we're drawing books no more since independence.
Okay, I watch
government be by say Palogo Dam, but we're here as a signature project, and in Ebeda. Number one, so there's no doubt about that. Palogo Dam, no, it's clear. Government, but for any government since independence, there's no investment ever seen. Palogo Dam, you know, and it's something that is for the country. It's something that and all of that. So very pleased with that signature project. And a confirmed type of project, you know.
Abuzafo ochiami oni masam ka ose na wasumua omampenya be die na mote no ose Palogo Dam ya ye kan wasemi enne ye project kese a ye hu bi da e wosrem omo na aye ho hyehyeye forgetting say according to VR rankers and President Mahama na ye all the preparatory works ma ye wie in 2018 okawie no say we dey ente say confirm on atro ne na da na omo kan opposition say omo dey say Yewura Mahama na onyame apa omo ntoma no he went on Asempa FM to repeat the same lies. The Busianfo ye ko baby wo dey di machi say ukohwe Auditor General's report for consolidated statements on foreign exchange receipts and payments by the Bank of Ghana. Ubehu sansemwa. Ubehu adie bi wo a wo yembehyew. This is a very important document. Consolidated statements of foreign exchange receipts and payments by the Bank of Ghana for the year ended 31st December 2022. Mamini can share what this document is. What's a Ghana? Onyame adomye oye, wadomye gold, wadomye cocoa. Wadomye nyema bebra yede kwa manone ne koton, ne ye ko obroni krom koton sa nyema na. Yenya obroni sika dollars, yenya pounds, yenya euros. Yenya sa nyema ni nyina. Na abusua yenya sa sika na sa sika no ema me no mienu ho yede koto Bank of Ghana. Se aban no enhwe sika no so. Na aban no emfanye impuntuo. A Ghana fo nyina yebenya so mfaso because koko akuafo na asam omanim fifiri ado am omunsam asi cheche ene yenya koko akoto na manoni enya dollar ente wose ye de be ya adepa se yamfa anya hwe na da Bank of Ghana kra ema ye sidi no enya hoden uko check this Auditor General's report page 23 and on the screen you can see the Auditor General's report. I am going all the way to page 23. I'm showing you the real Auditor General's report. No libi-libi, no labalaba, yetumri, niachirisie. Page 23 of the report. Dear Wohuni, you will see this table. Progress payments to contractors for 2022 and 2021. Table 11. Dear Wohonono. Now, woba the last but one row of this table. They want to say, Bank of Ghana for say Owura Bawumia, our chairman of the economic management team. A directive omo directive, clear order. Muntue sika, enfama company ye friend of Power China International Group Limited. As I sika no say a final payment for the construction of the Pualugu irrigation project. Sikane dodo is saying 11,949,088.06. That is akaka krebi na $12 million. This is the Auditor General's report. Sika umetuya. Look at the purpose of the money. Final. We are mobilization. Final payment for the construction of the Pualugu irrigation project. Shannon so say Jumedie Yeraba Wumia Nasunisi because I will feature penny krum prekope. Now let's go back to the PowerPoint slides. Let's go back to that. Good. So this is the amount of money which was paid. Na sika yaka wansem no makana kasa ewo obronis kasemu. What the baga na sika mu ade na yaka wansem. We say for $1 na kaka krebi na 15 cedis. But when put the yama abai no to 4 bo. $1 is to 14 Ghana cedis. And it is a converted $12 million no. Eba Ghana cedis you get 167 million Ghana cedis any actually. Titisikano 1.6 trillion. This is not chicken change. And you see kaketwa. Uraba wumiane na buying say omo diama company from MS Power China Company Limited. Final payment for the construction of the Pualugu irrigation scheme. Almost say, on my irrigation scheme, and on my contractor ka, which means he said, and I could be irrigation scheme no wa. I was see a project a make your phone sio. No more de yomukia. Send a bay or no buy a bedos, almost when you be a d. Almost waiting your mama. This is the money we are talking about here. 167 million cedis ebiguso. Titisikano 1.6 trillion. Now we have NDC Communications Bureau ya yehwehwemu. Na minisa asem when central for bebre so ya ho hwehwemu. De yakwa akohu no yesi afem. After making noise about this project. A project e bin sisremu da. A project e de sika ebeba srem. NPP for there. We don't renege on our promise. We nye Mahama confirm projects. And at the end, and after paying, according to them, $12 million equivalent to 1.6 trillion. And rather, you call the sites of the project. As you may be aware, Unimu Amichrim, project where shortcuts your Mampenya Kufuado and Pualugu and what talents in the Upper East region. But a project on the white voter with crisscrosses Upper East and Northeast regions. And the project ne fa kesiye pa no Northeast Oraba Womia ono anu krom ne wo. E wo kura 80% of the project e was Sariba. Project ni bi e wo Kurugu and e bi wo Pualugu. We have been to all the 3 sites and we are giving you videos taken as recent as yesterday. 1.6 trillion na. Ye mpanyimfo omudi omai so se omudi aya irrigation project ewie so omode boa akuafo no me pamacho mo me the videos na etwagu on your screen no. This is the Sariba site where 80% of the project can be found. Utimu is a contractor no wabobo na pata waye ne board wo ho dama omampanyi abedi eche ba womi atua 1.6 trillion ono anu krom o enie dam nini 1.6 trillion dam monhwe almost a final payment. This is in the Auditor General's report for 2022. Areho asefem asasetam ne da ho hwini so me pa wacho mo enko Kurugu producer my Kurugu de no we Sariba my Kurugu also in the Northeast region oraba wo mi anu krom pe eni Kurugu de no oh contractor no oye pillars bi wo form enti dam nini o 1.6 trillion dam enyame na me so matua 1.6 trillion. It is the Auditor General's report. I have shown you the report. This is Kurugu. Producer obetimi am ya Pualugu ba bia omampenya Kufuado odi asobo form wa na yiri wa na odua dua no Kurugu ni. This is the Kurugu site. Me say Kurugu Pualugu. This is the Pualugu site. This is the Pualugu site. Thank you very much, producer. We can come back to the studio. Thank you. Ejabusian for Eyarewosem. Asem way asemwa. Odwen ho a wonte ase. These are the people who promise to protect the public purse. We mu no modi atro ne nada. Adokodoko nsem ebeji to me. Baako mampenye Kufuor say I'm too old to steal your money. Oraba womia. Ose montu abama me na memfa Quran. Enko presidency. Quran the woman ye. Say wonye dam wa, wutumi ka say why ye dam. Na wa Ghana sika chichi die 1.6 trillion. Mwacha ma mo ho adi. Say mo tuya ma contractor. The contractor has left site for many years. Oni wo. Enne ensem trofo mo pa monko Kurugu, monko Sariba, monko Pualugu, monko all the places are project we ebi wo. You will see nothing. Enti ato de bi ni e kasa, mpanyin se papa so pa nwoma so. Enye nanum de ntia ne mom ne yeyu ntia. Enye se NDC fo yanum ne keka ne kasa kwa. Enye se ya ban eni so. Enti dia ban be ye bia enye ye fe no. E your do aye wo Ghana. Anybody who has a scintilla, a modicum of love for this country, you must be sad and worried about this. 1.6 trillion gone down the drain. We are talking about projector. And Keba stop of flats in Suiri, I tell see, it was a slim and Patemuho. Projector Keba boy Kuafua, a walk Bawumia, New Chrome, and Yesrina. Projector. And Kaibabe Boama stream for young Kenya. Ebabe Boama Puntoni yo abaho. $993 million project, which was supposed to be completed in 4 years, 2 months. Just the latest by January 2024. The Enkomawi. Ome di 1.6 trillion kwa. Ome di chawomanum fine. And the Auditor General. Achiomo. Nasa Bawumien Enkontompo hini. Wetimiya dada ni krom hine the Nairi himself. What dada ono ni krom ahemfo. What dada Kuafo e wonu krom ono ene obontoa. Oso ye house to house. Oba na obehwe obo so obeye okwan ma no agye di. Mpenyufo se kwatere kwase obe mount ma tie ni din. Ono ani krom fu mponi. Wanfa de ni anto Nairi. O ma disika ne kwa. No project. This is criminal. This is thievery. This is wickedness. Ebusiafo, yanko yenim. Na obi beka se o Sammy Gyamfi Auditor General atsem nko ana mo ka. Na bia Auditor General no oyemfonso. Medical mo wu se Auditor General wankasa kwa se Bank of Ghana na etue sika no. Na enam se NDC ye penu kurenti no ye kotie Bank of Ghana for so ma no ye. Munyina munim se ye wo abasoko bi e wo mrahye bedwam aye from Public Accounts Committee. Auditor General ye nhwehwe mu wi a ho na ne report na ye den eko report yakoho Bank of Ghana penyimpa Dr. Adesia Bawomia na Kufuor de na kwa akotena ho no ono ankasa na na tie adwam one ne auditors ene ye bisa wo omo de nchiremu na ba 1.6 trillion no wo de mo hwe nchiremu omo de aba muntie.
Last question from you. Okay.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Page 23. Page 23. Somewhere you will see final payment for construction of the Kwalago Irrigation project. Yes. Kwalago Irrigation project, final payment. 2-3. At the top there you see the last but one. Final payment for the construction of the Kwalago Irrigation project. The question is, I thought probably before payments are made, contractors present certificates. Because when you get to Kwalago, there's nothing there. There's no even a pole. There's no even a signboard. And if the contractor is taking $11 million, there's nothing. There is no even a what do we call it? Like a container. You can't even see the project site. So what certificate was presented before this money was paid? That's my question. Oh. The sun there was at all. There's not even sun on the site. You can't even identify the site.
Let him answer.
I want to know how that money was paid.
Yes, he will answer.
I think the amount you're referring to was paid in 2021. They are not 2022. And the auditors would have to tell us because they must have cited their documentations before they wrote this report. The Auditor General, yeah. So maybe they can explain.
Before then, if assuming that it was something like a mobilization, but if you say final, okay.
No. It's a final payment.
It's a final payment, okay.
Assuming things. Can we, auditors, could you help us out over here? It says final payment. Now, the honorable member is saying that there's nothing at that site. I'm sure when you did the audit, you saw something.
Honorable Chair, Controller instructed them to pay, and they paid. We are not aware whether the project has been completed or there's nothing ongoing.
Abuja former sumo matibi. Ya tam Ghana sika titiri die. 1.6 trillion. Ama company na one no one pam. Omone bawomia ni MPP for na chisika ne die wie. Ye bisa governor of Bank of Ghana ono ne tuya sika ne se die enti na mutuya sika abrahwe ni asase ne so a wadani mu oso ntimi nkasa age se auditors akasa ma no governor ne se ntimi nkasa wadani mu auditors ne so nchire mu omo se omo de ye ka so omo ntua no mutua ye. These are the people omo ye central bank. You see the poverty of leadership, the leadership paralysis confronting the nation. You see that for yourself. Just say yesi muntua now ye diskana mo much heady. That is why they can't explain it. Na busuan for hwe koko kuani a wado wabre wa mo man nya koko yakoton enya dollar. Yemfa me yo man ni ye. Say ye ni bibi kra de be ya yemfa to Bank of Ghana na nya siachi ba emma ye Ghana cedi ni nya hoden. Omo to gold, ye oil. What disikano? Why won't the dollar hit 15 cedis? I don't know dollar no 50 because dollar never knew. Say dollar need the Bank of Ghana cry. And can me see the ni nya hoden. Yes, say nay. See the animal guasia or dance palo gua. Dollar. E2 mirikati say you say who both akaka krebina 15 cedis a egu ni penyuma no. And so if you're a businessman, na NDC for your taxation project and I will say mfa wan fa ho. Krono omobo ni say no, eno na deplete your forest reserves. Eno nti na dollar e kosoro no. You see, a lot of times we say so many why dey an which wo adwuma ni ho. The main taxation project because sika was here dey your money ye no. Nipa kakra bi pese ni nkumunya adufuri pie sika ni bre enti no ma chedi. And these are the consequences. 6 trillion onima de krode na betumi aye. Enche ye kra mote Ghana mankwa edunson and a shiro monkwa they died. Why? Because kolebu aswaye wo ho a obi wo kidney disease a okokoja yarehwe no. Aban we di omoka 4 million cedis. Ama ye raba wo mi ase aban economy no no hweso no any 4 million cedis. For 6 months the renal unit was shut down. 17 Ghanaians died. Say sika we ye ka say ye de ya de palm on my Ghana e betime si renal unit with many machines. E betime ama kidney patients free medical care for more than 2 years. Ye dia say no kwa. Say sika ye kan wan semi. Say ye tuama independent power producers. Inyuma yoku a wona ma ye nyina mahode a ena aban de oka na aban timi ntuenti dum so aba hairdresser fo adwuma egu cost of adwuma egu ne de keka ho a sai sika ne de kotu aka ne bia nka dum so ba na wie ye abusuafo ena adwuma ni ho ena ye ti association bi say Unemployed Graduate Nurses and Midwives Association 75,000 of them oma wie school e ko mfie 9 aban sika ni wonti yemfo mo adwuma mutifie $12 million could have employed these 75,000 nurses and paid them for about 1 year. And so Rabba Wumia, Kufuado, MPP for Kakrebi, or Machisikano, Eddie. Ye bet to me the Ayakwan, ye bet to me the Ayampuntu. Ebi our reme, Utiemi free sefi, Utiemi free or region. Wakwanye, Unsionye, O Petched compound, Unyebi, O Peduma Unyebi, Sika wiki, bet to me the Ayadia, as of a banfaso, Ediamount. This is what we are talking about. This is the kind of country we live in today. A country and penyufu a woman omode nada abedu to me. Omo say dia krono ye mobi. And so your confutachi am watching obia. And we have given you the evidence. Sika we are making one semi. See the Mayo John Dramani Mahama. And come be puntu. Come be dams papa. Come be akwan papa. Come be suku papa. John Mahama Brasso, nothing like this happened. And it is what is Akufo-Addo and no say. I can't hand over to John Mahama. I don't want to hand over to John Mahama. They are going to jail. Once John Mahama comes, there will be accountability. And ye puppets, ye pudo, but we amra no mebo ye ho ban. The omu ye nyina eno no. That is the reason for that. I mean, sure, John Mahama this can be. John Mahama, Esrem wa baby Dr. Bawumia. What disika we are saying kwano. Or ye demu hu no mafidi so say your friend the Tammany Dam. This Tammany Dam is in Garu Timpani in the Upper East region. Dam kesiye sika kakra bi no de ye mo hwe dam we da ho. Tammany Dam. This is just phase 1. Aban ba ye phase 2 and phase 3 o majaye. This is President Mahama for you. Show me some of the things President Mahama did, producer. The Tammany Dam is okay. Show me some of the things. But when me and Timmy sit down, President Mahama, I'm the dam here. I'm in the hospital in Kraheya, University of Ghana Medical Center. Hospital, we a chain hotel, 5-star hotel. We see my next, try more. Producer, let's go. Let's go. University of Ghana Medical Center. This is what Mahama will use your taxes for. Because this is what Mahama used your taxes for when he had the opportunity to govern this country for 4 years between 2013 and 2016. On confer 1.6 trillion enkudin se ne kwa kejeti abia kese ni si wono enye ofe mumisa ban we wo ma betena konwa so for 8 years. Where is their kejetia? Where is their University of Ghana Medical Center? Omo Tammany Dam ewen na etwa go no producer yanko kejetia no yanko. That is kejetia for you in Kumasi. Projects in bebre ye chiro kakra bi. This is the Rage Hospital, Greater Accra Hospital, 420 bed. The visionary nation builder did this. Young Koso, the Circle Dubai interchange, and the Dahono. We na President Mahama or the to obey. You see, so this is the kind of leaders we need. This is why 2024 by Babetono, 7 December, and what's the system. And for MPP in Qatar when him say medium MPP near we meet to no. Sir, politics no a chem. Let us vote for change. Send a bias uncle for you or bebu akonta. We will hold them accountable near the onwasem. And it's a position for baby. I did you made the NDC. Now, I may a moment of truth editorial on this Pualugu Dam. ABOBT, Mr. Najumi and Kessinene, Auditor General's report now convincing. Public Accounts Committee, Bank of Ghana, New Year now convincing. Videos and pictures now convincing. And it's good. My main more. MPP penyin pa na asem wa waka about this government in Chile ono de obejinedi because obi MPP ni amenya cho say your MPP ni bi chen Kennedy akompre ko Japan we de muntie de ono wakasa afa aban we ho.
MPP is looting this country as if there's no tomorrow. Why? Who really stand up here? What do you mean? The youth of this country are not working. Now we're intimidating and control. The MPP is looting this country as if there's no tomorrow. Why? Who really stand up here? What do you mean? The youth of this country are not working. Now we're intimidating and control.
As if Bomochichi Frisuase, Ebe Catros Dencheme way in Chinye. Ubua will hear me away MPP near Ubufu, we did him at him. MPP in Kennedy, Japan. He's telling you because ono ne Akufo-Addo ne ba wo mi amon ne kon na krana. Also mo fum wiasika te se wo chena bi ni ho. Ti wo ba no ne daache ewen under these people. Onana no o mo daache we under these people. The producer, bo antem ne ma me ne emfa nwie. There sitrem na to waba. Shewa sitrem, shewa sitrem, shewa sitrem na to waba, to waba, to waba. Abuzavo, eti hani yedi besi. Eti. Enyama koyie ma o anan koyie a wawonim. Hwe wasitinem na fa to abapa. Na se wasitinem nya hu se eye krono kata hyehye ne proya o mampenya kufuado owura ba womia ne MPP fo obo enu nti na wo bre ye de besia ye ko break ye ba ye de NDC and you know ebebro me da wi ase.
Eguba, where are you in a hurry to?
I'm off to work.
Huh?
To work? Yes. But you're just coming from one.
That was my day job. I'm off to my night job.
Wait. When did you move from being unemployed to getting 2 jobs?
That times have changed though. Now there are more companies running multiple 8-hour shifts, all thanks to the 24-hour economy policy by John Mahama. Now my degrees are no longer collecting dust. My master's degree got me my day job, and my undergraduate degree got me my night job.
Wow.
Ekuba, but won't it be dangerous coming back home late? How will you get home?
Ma, rest. Come and see security personnel everywhere. Now, there are well-regulated and well-monitored private security companies running all around the clock activities. There are also food vendors and drivers everywhere. It's practically day at night. Everyone is making use of this 24-hour economy policy.
Wow. Ekuba, I'm happy for you. But if you should take these 2 jobs, how many will be left for your friends?
Ma, 24-hour economy policy inti. Ejumanu minya bi, kofi beye bi, salifu beye bi, enyunyam beye bi, obiya beye bi.
Am I too old to take on another job?
Vote for John Mahama, the nation builder, and the NDC for a 24-hour economy. Ejuma Pankwa.
Eguba, where are you in a hurry to?
I'm off to work.
Huh?
To work?
Yes.
But you're just coming from one.
That was my day job. I'm off to my night job.
Wait. When did you move from being unemployed to getting 2 jobs?
That times have changed though. Now there are more companies running multiple 8-hour shifts, all thanks to the 24-hour economy policy by John Mahama. Now my degrees are no longer collecting dust. My master's degree got me my day job, and my undergraduate degree got me my night job.
Wow.
Ekuba, but won't it be dangerous coming back home late? How will you get home?
Ma, rest. Come and see security personnel everywhere. Now, there are well-regulated and well-monitored private security companies running all around the clock activities. There are also food vendors and drivers everywhere. It's practically day at night. Everyone is making use of this 24-hour economy policy.
Wow. Ekuba, I'm happy for you. But if you should take these 2 jobs, how many will be left for your friends?
Ma, 24-hour economy policy inti. Ejumanu minya bi, kofi beye bi, salifu beye bi, enyunyam beye bi, obiya beye bi.
Am I too old to take on another job?
Vote for John Mahama, the nation builder, and the NDC for a 24-hour economy. Ejuma Pankwa.
Abuzavo Efa ya drusui eye NDC and you segment. Eha ena nhyehyɛ ya pa NDC amanyoko ye wo ma wo. Ye wo ma Ghana ni bia ye fa na makomako ne akyekye. Ene mitia ye pa. Menya one of our best brains in the NDC. The Honorable Member of Parliament for the good people of Esnafo South, Honorable Eric Upuga. Honorable Akwaba. You're welcome to NDC 360 and to this NDC and youth segment. Nene dia na woma ye. Mhm.
24-hour economy na yebeka wasa. Na answer na yebeka wasa. Pese yichi mo ahodo be enan.
Na why presentation am I? Me da se ntebusuafo mo pese mo te 24-hour economy na se. Na wo hu wo chefe wo mu no. This is the time. Honorable Rekopoku will be by the touch screen to give you everything you need to know about the 24-hour economy after this short break. Yebasisi
Eguba.
Honorable. Yes, sir. And it's etiefo nyina etwen. Ghana fo nyina ya so tie on the 24-hour economy. The floor is yours.
Adeshiman Ghana mamba. Dedi kai no meda NDC achamehele. Yewura Sammy Gyamfi ase. Se ne wa ma akwanya kese sei. Se ye no man ni nyina twetwe nkomo. Emfa 24-hour economy policy a Yewura John Dramani Mahama.
The almost say one microphone. There is a
Eguba, where are you in a hurry to?
Now I'm off to work.
Huh?
To work?
Yes.
But you're just coming from one.
That was my day job. I'm off to my night job.
Wait. When did you move from being unemployed to getting 2 jobs?
That times have changed though. Now there are more companies running multiple 8-hour shifts, all thanks to the 24-hour economy policy by John Mahama. Now my degrees are no longer collecting dust. My master's degree got me my day job, and my undergraduate degree got me my night job.
Oh,
Ekuba, but won't it be dangerous coming back home late? How will you get home?
Ma, rest. Come and see security personnel everywhere. Now, there are well-regulated and well-monitored private security companies running all around the clock activities. There are also food vendors and drivers everywhere. It's practically day at night. Everyone is making use of this 24-hour economy policy.
Wow. Ekuba, I'm happy for you. But if you should take these 2 jobs, how many will be left for your friends?
Ma, 24-hour economy policy inti. Ejumanu, minyabi, kofi beyebi, salifu beyebi, enyunyam beyebi, obiya beyebi.
Am I too old to take on another job?
Vote for John Mahama, the nation builder, and the NDC for a 24-hour economy. Ejuma Pankwa.
I was avoid Mama Kwa about NDC 360 show. So, offer your do see is the NDC and you segment. I'm saying, I know I'm going for mobile home and also teaching my talk by. That is why we had to go for a commercial break. It's move and chair. But Honorable Eric Opoku is ready. Honorable Ghana Funyi na yaso. Tell us about the 24-hour economy policy.
Yo, so me dera me Kenya say, you John Dramani Mahama. Na probo a obo Ghana nyina wo de si dem say nyame ye na don na Ghana for to abama na wo de hye bi ba ye friend 24-hour economy. Na 24-hour economy policy kese a wo de be ma oman sikasem agina. Na enei meda wase so mama kwanya memfa wa fidie so na Ghana ni wiase nyina minchechirem na obia ante the 24-hour economy no ye pese ye kire ase. Na ansa na mechire mu no policy bia aban pese wo ye ana pese wo di bu oman no ewo nyina so sign no man si kasem si tie kakra bi anu nti ewo se policy we ene ye de ba na policy no 24-hour economy na ene de na eba sign ye be ye no na mo aban na de be ba sa nyoma we ene ne pese me sai mre na mechire mu eni se si aba bia me di free de say ehin ye gina se si a yesi kasem no wo hene anu nti ye ka 24-hour economy no na same de omo se Ghana man bia ya kodu sesi na dubra eden oman no ede ka makoba se ewiase nyina bia man nyina ti bobosia ede ye oman ni ye no ye seize Ghana oman akosi bro de na si ofra sika mpoa no the whole Africa 2022 ye ne 2 gold kese enne ye seize ye se amman atwa ye ho ahia Cote d'Ivoire Togo Burkina Faso obi abetu akọ international capital market akọje bosia e dia bayam puntudwuma wo krom na Ghana de mayensi hobi efise eka amene yen Ghana ka 2016 na ye 122 billion no enne apagya ni mu akodu 610 billion Ghana cedis ndi ama Ghana ye kanti ye seize ye international market mayensi hobi o so man bi akode kase ya baby asan de wani hwe ne se wo bank kase a ye friend central bank ye bank betun atwa sika e de aboa wo se ne be ya wo man no betun agina ne nan so e wo sika semu areho sem ne se ya kohwe Ghana Bank of Ghana so betun aboa Ghana man ama ye sika sem kai o ma yi afri mu a ye kohwa se 2021 any 2022 no MPP aban na dan kwa kufu ado da no oni ewura bamud bawunya wo ma dikai ho dada akọji sika twitwi dia eya 77 billion Ghana cedis sa 77 billion no se we use 2022 exchange rate na sa wo so de ye ho adwuma na eno nko ye $8 billion ya use awie na so ye problem na anya dey unsolve se hi bi on ye kope bosia so man ukọ Bank of Ghana na nye ye dia ene na abekọ wo manfo no ho so manfo ni bi wo surplus income obi was called the savings obetu dia to aban bonds na nka wajeje no so bosia na odi aye oman ni yi because man bi ahokire na oflotu bonds na wa pese o ye savings wo to na wanya interest na Ghana so wanya sky adwuma Ghana de ye ko dibi ko abontensi ye ko ton bonds enya de obi abeto if so mo ye di kai eto won de no wo ma ye adwuma ko pension edom sika to aban bonds no eso ya Ghana ban ya ntimi antua di Ghana ban say wo mo ka no wetu ahia nim ontuntua ne ne na sanchirima ba o ma be ya adwuma e de atua eka no ejina Ghana ban ton bond a enya de a obi abedai e beto bio ade ba ko a na ebo man kese anso ye koko afi bia etima Ghana man $2 billion. I rehearse them say if you are not dankwa any year Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bedi akonwan enfie nwotwe emu ne ewe afi bia omuto koko Ghana ewo Ghana bi omo boka enti ama koko adwuma no so egu kodo to a wo ye ho hwe a enye yi na rehearse them gran say waboka sa enfie nson afi otoso nwotwe so ne budget abrɛ say afi we nso obesan ye dai aboka ama oman ahokyere kese na abamu ama mrantie no ba bebre nso enya adwumanye unemployment ayekese 2020 World Bank at the report to buy say unemployment no na enam 12%. Na for youth be say 50% of them they are now underemployed. Inti the whole sub-Saharan Africa, Ghana and na youth unemployment was ropa. 2023 reported by no from first quarter to third quarter unemployment rate no average apagya do 14.7%. Now it's called sub-Saharan Africa. Omanya emumrantie enya adwuma nye pa no ne titiri eye Ghana ha sei. Na Sammy na me pese me de bibi kire kakra efa aban na budget ya oye no ho. Sania budget hyehyɛ no oye no no. Na me pese slide no wa ha. If you sorry aban budget na good aba. Eye 2024 budget aban de ba ye no. Aban na asmo de ka say Ghana is kasem say de gina. O say Ghana fear you 2024. Your taxes or budget ye japade e beton ye bia wa Ghana bia no e be ma ye revenue e benya 176 billion. Nemo ma fi sika de be ye adwuma wa Ghana ha nyina no o hia 259 billion. Na ye ye kan nyina achi no 2024 yi aban so budget bosianko a 82.6 billion. In fact approximately 83 billion. So we anya bosian we ya enwuma opeso ye na fi we nyina no ontimi enye. Yanso yakwa abroche kwaje bosian obi man bi. Yakwa Bank of Ghana enye yi. Say grade IMF the tabua to Bank of Ghana so. Say bank kase ati say ya aboka. E free say ba Ghana mo kasa da na aboka no. Omo premo mo fasidi nkra ma aban kra bio. And they say yakwa Bank of Ghana enye yi. Ehin na Ghana ban betu akwaje bosian na odi aye adwumen. Na rewo se mo say ya woni ama miensa bi wo budget ni mu. Sa ni oma miensa no sa wo pew sa wo mpew e wo sa wo di so. Enti no de usika no so usika na so sa ni oma miensa no e wo sa wo di so. De di kansa wo sa wo tua wadwuma e foka. Ghana adwuma e fo ya adwuma 2024 nyina aban behia 63.6 billion and what the tua mo ka Ghana cedis. Afei bosiana yagie no ehunsi ho ene de aso wo se tua. De yatua hye yanim ni nyina de aka na e wo se tua ho no aban so behia 76.6 billion and what the tua. Sa wakodi obi busia de wo ka se wo ntua ho ka no so ye asem kese. Afei statutory funds yemra mu no ye wo sikari bi ho aye de mra to ho. Sa wo je Ghana tax nyina ye total revenue no for not less than 5% koto common fund. Ura Rollins na yemra we 1992 de man Ghana e she constitution ni mu na ye nchechenko assemblies no ye tuatua ye VAT na ye fa 2.5 mra se ye fa nko get one ye fa 2.5 enko health insurance enti eto mra da ho nyina a wo se wutua eno so eye 47.4 billion tu kaboma sa nyema miensa we nko ano aban ni hia 187 billion enti dia chense sa aban ankoje bosia 11 billion a afi we wantumi ntua adwuma foka enti je say adwuma fo aye adwuma wo Ghana no Ghana banje bosia 11.4 billion.
Yes, o man na bo ano no.
Ansa na yetua adwuma foka. Enti sabre ai wa batu mi. Se o mampanyini ana na be de ache ko gina baabi. No ka te so de se e be ye kwan a. Ehi na okofa se scan de aye dey. E de afri. Yanso ne ko gye bosia baabi enye baabi om de om nya hwe. Se si aye treasury bills. On send the short term loans. When you are treasury bills 6 months. Ya pay interest no 50%, 60%. Oh, 6 months me turn ma gimi me si ho. Na buy na bon bosia. Enti do 6 months na onya no assign issue foforo. E na treasury bill no so e pale
omo bob besia e
de tua bosia. E na bosia no e pale gu hosa na ka no e ye kese. Enti sei e na ye man ni gina. Now e kwan ben ye be fa so a ye betimi aye adwuma ama oman no atimi agina ne nan so. E kwan be fa so ye betimi aye adwuma ama oman no agina nan so e wo se ye nhihye bi a e be ma ye ka akofom e be ma adwuma aba ebe obi ton ade wo dwomu a ye beto ebe ma oman no sika sama gina brane na obi a ho aye den ato no na policy bi a wo de ba bia no se wo man no sika sam to say na akofa policy a ho ka no ye kakraka enya de a wo betumi aye da ebe ye enudwa ya na wadwa wanu makọ eno na owura John Dramani Mahama omampanyi dada tikase so da yepa wada adwene ho se da bi oman gina se si aye de se yebetumi de oman na gina ye de a yes ye the policy bi e frɛ no 24-hour economy e de ba Ghana ha eno na be gina e be oman ma nyina enya ahoto e de ani 24-hour economy 24-hour economy ne say efri da Ghana ba ye nyina no ye adwuma efri anopa no nwotwe a ebo nonum a na ya pon saa na ye adwuma wo Ghana ha ba nyame obo wiase sameda kru bia wode donhwere makomako aduonu 24 hours ene de ma ye saa 24 hours no wo ma nim apomde hu nyansa ye ahwemu no wo se obi a wote asa so pese ho ye den pa 24 hours no fa mu donhwere mako nwotwe fada na nka dunsia no de wobenya wobetumi ya adwuma still wo ho be ye den nti wo se da kru bia wantimi anakra no out of the 24 hours 8 hours there wutimi da na nka wodi 16 no eye adwuma na wodi nya sika de hwa wo yere ene oma ene wabusua unfortunately oba ha yende 24 hours no ye de 8 hours pe ene ye adwuma ene 16 hours no ye de bi dan ye de bi nso di agro aman aka atumpon wo wiase no wo mo nya ne saa obi amu ye nhye se obi abeda 8 hours na oman na adwuma de 24 hours ni nyina yaye don hwere nwotwe na ze nya 3 shifts ye nya saa 3 shifts na de ye be ne se ane obi biara o wa mamu no sa wo kwa adwuma don hwere nwotwe a na wapon na obi nso aba don hwere nwotwe na ono nso apon na obi nso aba don hwere nwotwe na ono nso apon enti 24 hours no ye be ye adwuma saa nipa bia betimi ada nanso the Ghanaian economy there it will never sleep and only the 24-hour economy na Sammy the woman be you say sa 24-hour economy ne bota ye pa ne say e de na ye de pe ye pese ye output productivity nyoma ye produce nyama ye pagam se na ye produce ye van say 24 a ye pese ye pagam ko du be say 100 na ye sa mo ye sika so ye dey adoso afa ye pagam no ye de nsa bebre na ye nipa bebre na benya adwuma ye se si aye no gazai National Labour Commission de abetra bonten se Ghana ha emrantia ne maba awie university do ye 700,000 omukuta certificates ya pass from the universities ade a chia no pa nante abonten kwatre ebetre omunya adwuma bi anya dai enye ebede no omunya adwuma eye adwuma papa ebetua tua wonka no omunya sika ahwe omo yire ahwe maame nom eno papa ehwe wo mo no in the 24-hour economy ne ba obi anso ebenya adwuma ye na nya adwuma bia eye adwuma akatua papa wo mu a ema nipa no so atumi abobra ama ayeyie now sa 24-hour economy ne ye kan wazama obi se na hefo na be ye nyina na no crowd obi ka se na me amedo koko anadwo so be dem makodo na me amedo banche so me so be dem makodo enye sa na 24-hour economy no ekire ne ye be wie no obi abehu sectors a ebe ye adwuma no ene ba bia ewo se ekono obi abehu ni nyina yie now yawo public sector de ye aban adwuma a ye na ha aban adwuma ni bi wo hon ma pressure wo mo so traffic no so ba bia ye passport da bia nipa wo ho passport no aye bible no no BVLA sanete Ghana Airport and Harbours Authority sanete se demand no ho nipa no pe omo ya willing paade no na se aban betumi aba mu ni aye 24 hours no manya bi a adenti ne ye ne sa enye yi enti ne aba enie se wo ba yemfa se Ports and Harbours 2022 me chake ye no na Ports and Harbours nko nipa ye adwuma no omo nam 4,500
okay
say nipa 4,000 yes 4,400 say nipa 4,500 no omo ye adwuma from anopana na nwotwe ebo no numpa ya pon chef na be sisi I was here yin niema no ba ya pon niema ni si ho ade ache ne ba ne yatimi ya ne yi nti da bia enioma si ho a yentimi yi wani tu ase enioma no si ho che na wa ntimi anyi a na demora ya we no so se atwa etuo bi ma otua wantimi antua bojapade no yae dey yafa now ye kan say esan say da bia traffic no load no ho na nipa 8 hours pa yapon no so wura mama bedi akonwa ya ye bechem miensa 8 hours 8 hours 8 hours into 4,500 people na eye adwuma wo port and harbors no ye be ye no 4,500 omo abegina ho 8 hours na 4,500 for France asamba na 4,500 for France ayedey aba into port and harbors nko
the honko 13,500
yeah na is the 9,000 for proper yeah you should 2022 figures so 9,000 and ye dey be ka ho na just say first 4,500 be start adwuma anopa no nwotwe 8 hours echo 5 for my free omoko na 4,500 for France ayedey aba 8 hours no omoko na 4,500 for France aba into 24 hours nyina no port any harbor no e be ye adwuma na man nipa bebre mrantia na ekuta certificate e maba wana awie school ye mrantia no ba wa hoden a wo ni certificate no wo mu nyina nso anya adwuma ayedey aye sa adwuma na omo ye no e be ma ye revenue nso ayedey akoso enti dakro e ye adwuma don hwe nwotwe no se na ye revenue e ye yemfa 10 billion a and 10 billion no ye benya na hodo miensa
there's a buy
moka sika kra be san ye dey aba bebre
there's economy ni so nyini ye kese
aye kakraka afi oba ba bi say yemfa passport passport office in fact me checking passport no aye 2023 na nipa ye adwuma nyina eko yemfa 500 sa 500 no say ye ka say ye 24 hour economy na what it means say ye be san for 500 back ni asa for 500 back ebi aka ho e won so da bia enipa gina ho pe passport no a wo munya na say demand no e so chai supply na omo ye no nti dia ben say free 8 ekobo 5 no first 8 hours enipa 500 mo order da mbaye madwuma na mo badwuma kwatua na mo pon no na another 500 so aye dey aba wo mo so pon no na another 500 aba so okoda 8 hours no na ofi say ubetu aye bi aka ho a ubetu abetwa be 4 hours bi kura
and your friend overtime no
overtime na wa ye aka ho nti ebe ma de okọ school kura ya ma ekwan no anadwo kura okoda so mi nkotwa 5 hours bi ai na me fa emetuatua me bills kakra ono so betumi aye ama aye yi na ni nyina na eboa na ye neoma no ekosoro Sammy DVL nso sa o DVL me check here 2002 no na nipa o mo form across the country no me 2,500 into 2,500 no say ye 3 shift na 8 hours 8 hours 8 hours ye be add honko 5,000
yes honorable metewase a all abanyuma pressure wo mo so a e wo se ye mo ye adwuma 24/7 na ye rajo Mahama e ba beres mo be ye adwuma 24/7 in 3 shifts no adwuma ni nyina ekoso mo ho miensa ba bia traffic will be a load no so bia no e be kosa bi okay na public sector no so
we ye public sector aban adwuma mu no now ye be ko private sector ankrankra omo aye omo adwuma ankrankra no aye adwuma no untimi nkosha ne chenchena say kwaye 24 hour economy da bi nti ye wo kwan a ye de won so be fa so se ne be ya wo mu bia no ebetimi dia ye sa 24 hour economy ni bi na no nia edikan ne say ye wo agro processing factories ansa ne be ba we so no mamemfa we mransa mamenko Miss Nestle na memra hansa so we a private company wow company now we gitum say 24 hour economy no ubeye bia why ade fi say wo boa ma adwuma aba o manim wo be bia mu ama mrantie no ba bebre anya adwuma aye dey aye number 2 wo boa ma your gross domestic products eye ye calculate afini nyina ya adwuma ye hu sika esansa wo triple wo production nti Ghana man your gross domestic product be dey e be cost it is all go take your debt as percentage of GDP na ya multiply your production no your debt no be dey e be ba form na yi ya free sa ahokyere nwia sa adwempa na wo nti eniama ya ban John Mama ban a ebe e be mo ni die di kai tax a wutua no ye be ye tax no bibi ama na aba form sa be ya wo betumi afa adwuma na waboa ama ye man no ye tumi ni no ye better tax no so ama sa business na also be ye 24 hour economy ni bi no afei electricity kan ya on say cost of electricity ayedin And no count na business me bre na no me te say company ni bi kura say on tra Ghana bio or locate to Cote d'Ivoire because cost of doing business in Ghana no too high. Ontimi ntina. Say your tip power cost no so mana company no ho be hare no na watimi a produce more.
Because you two doom so wasi o.
Doom so dey say kwa no. Onu say NDC ba. Doom so dey one time 10. Hwe high. On say 2015 owura Mahama settle a bank we your friend no Ghana Exim Bank. Ne bota en say oman ye kra ne madodo fra broche. Ena ma ye exchange rate no ya na edidi mrika no. Enti Exim Bank no bank ya ye dey be support manufacturers a omu produce exportable commodities. And this is what they are producing. I idea between a cotton and money near $1 bar. Near they reduce your importer. I will say the Exim Sikani be a day a supporter. Sasika way, who said duties na general portal. And I hear Mama my Rasa Gibia. Yanfan Koma Exim Bank. Near farmers support the manufacturing sector. And this Exim Bank way, wow, by year 24-hour. Wow, company. Now say under President Mahama 24-hour policy no, Ubeyebi no. Ye the Exim Sikani bin so ebe supporto. Na hano me be ma example bi na ya toaso. One say yanko echire kra na ehwa de. One agro processing factories. Yavan say obi dua banche. Odua banche ni wie no, o de banche ni kodwom a obi anto. Na banche na pro. In fact, okoye nkura ase nkura obi banche pro wa fu ngo ntu kra. Now say nya banche factory what they banche be starch or no serve as market kese e dia ma o madua banche no etu do banche ba hope na ye say wato no de be starch say starch na wo ye no ontimi nya no do ntie import starch e de bagana ha now say NDC ba Exim Bank facility na demand 24-hour economy na de oso ye no ye de Exim sika ni bi e support no na watimi abam obam no or yet 24-hour economy ni bi. Eti nipa ye adwuma ho dada no me 200. Enei wanya Exim support. Ne light bill ya teso kakra ma no. Ne tax nso ya ma no support kakra tax na ba form. Se wa fa nipa 200 asaka 200 na ho dada no. Wasa fa 200 bio or an treasure. Eti 8 hours no 2 hour 200 we be ya adwuma o mapon. 200 we be ya adwuma o mapon. 200 we be ya adwuma o mapon. Na ne start no esam Exim support nti wa ba mo produce bebre nti ya import of starch no just ya teso na ma exchange rate ni so aye dey enya
ka exchange rate na ma ye seed na nya
ye seed no na dollar no ahode no aba form na agina so eno ye agro processing companies a omo fa agriculture production no raw material from agric no mo dey manufacture eye bibi no one more pa and I was so mudi can cry a tranamon a yet sadim come we pet now agriculture gina na production no so more bema a queer for na omudian man one more ma
and yes a cashier queer for queer for into sequia for wait this is for them,
this is for all of them. Good. Because yet to untos no e dia ye cantomanto ye dia gu kan mu ayan kama ne yakoton no na ye fa wa wo ma no so adwuma abɛhyɛ bi sɛ ya wanyini na wontimi nya ku adwuma no oba onana no ono so benya factory hɔ ayɛ adwuma na wanya sika e dia hwɛ ne maame e dia hwɛ ne papa na wanya bi nso ahwɛ ne nuanom bi school ama mo so ayɛ akrachefo bi. Then again afa manufacturing industry bi a wo man mu bi a manufacture bi bia samenim me ne obi di nkomo ono na dia wo yense oye biscuit.
Okay.
Na biscuit no ose ofani panko 400.
Okay.
And omo biscuit na biscuit no eye dakru bia no omo biscuit nko 1000 boxes. Okay. Eye nipa 400 no. Na omo sate adwuma 8 a 5 o'clock 8 hours on mapon no moko. Timbisa nse be den na 24-hour economy no wo aboawo. Na no you the man say 24-hour economy no ba. Number 1 instead say obefa nipa 400 instead obefa 400 ba kwa ka ho bio. No afa 400 ba kwa ka ho bio. Eti na adwuma one day bia no nipa 1200 ene be ye adwuma ho no. Enti wafa nipa mako 800 aka ho. Now 1000 now produce wa ha no. Obe produce 1000 anopa no.
1,000
boxes
of biscuits.
No asa produce 1,000 boxes awia. No asa produce 1,000 boxes anywhere. Enti one day now first no produce 1,000 no. say so be produce 3,000 enti mfa so a no nya no 1,000 na no produce ndabia no wa triple sa mfa so no enti sa ban say obasan boa na menanya ezim sika ne bi a hunsi ho kete e dia bai na dwuma no mu a woda nyame ase sa ban say obasan tene nkan ya boa no so ama no abotumi aba mu a ne mfa so na be kase sa ban say obeboa no ama ne tax otua no asan ba form a ne mfa so na be kase na mum sa nipa nyina wo manya adwuma ye na okawie no se ne mu aka de baako me se de ba de a wo se de aka no se wono biscuit no wo de niam amiensa na ye wo de esam wo de margarine and wo de asichire na ye enti ansa no betumi aye 3 shifts no na we produce 3 times of your no produce no just go hunu a some factory no flour factory say wo na ma mi sam and I'm the producer that be an am 100 bags and the produce 1,000 boxes and then person me produce 3,000 it may here 300 bags of flour who bet me their mommy and one is someone say that be and yes 100 dia me so me fa nipa 50 and the produce some no 100 no the amount say we here 100 me and dia me so me fa 50 first 8 hours second 8 hours myself for 50 and now last 8 hours myself for 50 na ja mesuma fa nipa say 150 na same you go be say samra na woni bi ode ye say ni sam no ode banche what the heat
okay
ani ni o ma hudo bebre na ye enti wono so say ansa no betua produce eye flour no sa no just wono so ni banche fo na edo banche ne kasa no mo support say mo no banche ne mamu emame na mo do ya meto say mi hia dodo aye mi sam no mo no heat ni mamu na mo do ya meto mi hia bebre aye misam no nti won say biscuit no aba form ama esam factory so afa nipa bebre afa kuafo a edua banche so aye bebre omo sanya market e de ye omadwuma no aye yi nti 24-hour economy no won say sa wonya de good form pe same obi a bedidi sentia obi a bedidi ni say me na mi ni adwuma ye ana mi kuta certificate na da bia manante abonten saa and then nyame ayemadom 24-hour economy aba factory I employ me me call 8 hours me was shift say manya sika yatua meka me ana me ntimi to say na me so meto ade enti wo aggregate in the economy aggregate demand ebe kosro wo a woton ade bia wo di si ho a obi a beto ye beto ma so aye dai wanya sika
economy GDP ne so
na kosro say nya increase your output ya entrepreneur no ne multiply no ra ye nya 2 ya van say you produce your total output ye 1,000 ne nya 2,000 a wo de copy ye ka no the percentage ni be ba from at once na yi ye free amnanim
na just a 24-hour economy enya adwuma nko a e kai na amene Ghana aban ka won tumi ntua o me ye kopa bosia ye nya bi esan say ye ntimi ntua ye ka uraba wo mi abobosia de atwa danum spelele no 24-hour economy ba be boa ma economy na ye kese na because of that inti ye de ye katoto economy ni mu a e ka na ye den aba form ave baby a won hwe ye nim no ye kwa ye
beti no ma hwe ye nim
na mi shira jo Mahama
so I say efe so won so won ya form adwuma ni nyina no obi abetua income tax omutua income tax a revenue to government of Ghana then again aniama omoto na bontin ni nyina no ye the indirect taxes atoso entu kota de odwoma VAT eda so the yemfanko education ye the yemfanko health insurance ni nyina ka niam no bo no enti saafo no to nyina no na government revenue so ye den e kosro enti inse say aban beba afibia sa me beje omanfo tax muntua sei no way e production way okay e powerful ye di increase production say ne be ya omanfo nyina ebedi eyie na same yaka no yanka security obi say 24-hour economy ya bambon so anadwo nyina ya adwuma na bambon so ehihia owura mama de to dwan say apart from say your policy for wo ho no ye be san ye private security arrangement san ye be ya wo mo ye private companies wo securities no wo mo so be ba mu na on say wo ye private company na enei 360 ha wo hia security a na private company na mo security bia nipa miensa e na hwe ha ma sa wo run 24 a I was so no so fa miensa bi o ka ho no sa fa miensa bi o ka ho Say ya 8 hours bia no obenya security ayede e dey amount. So in a way no e hon so create enwuma e bebre.
Nantia no mo pe security adwuma
ni na e so ama aboa ama wo nyina nso anya adwuma aye. Afei o say
William say watch him krom.
Mache we say we e better na 24-hour economy no e di nwuma aba. Em say mache chim say be ya obi abeti ase. In the 24-hour economy there say what you say ya na se kira ne say obi a be dey ebedidi. Aha. Eno na wo kan I say the two additional work shifts that the Mahama 24-hour economy will introduce will double and in some cases triple the number of jobs in participating public and private entities. Enti obi company bia obeye 24-hour economy no enwuma obeketi no anya hwe kra no ebe double. But you expect say bia de ebe dey ebe triple.
No, but na o twe ma adwen asisu off air about enwuma yoku ni mpanyimfo akuku dan bia o makasa fa sa 24-hour economy.
Yes.
Obetimi de alcohol.
Yes, mami fa.
Asana de wa no besi no.
Mami fa asana de wa no.
Asana de wa no besi de Ghana fo akuku da omo munya NDC omo munya MPP omo de omo se omo ka no kre bem se we de omo se ka wasem kakra omo benya 24-hour economy no
omo benya 24-hour
asana yakode
amanfo kan okay 24-hour economy no womo bedi ka nya ho fa so pa ye omo eni adwuma ye the unemployed especially the youth.
Okay.
Enti abrantie ni ababa wa bia wutie me ne ba bia wo bia wa dwene ho se factory wo area ho a mo kwa adwuma no pa epon anwumre nonum se factory no eye 24 adwuma eye 8 hours miensa enipa do sen no befa na adwuma no wonya bi nya na and across the nation se adwuma ye bobo so bebrebe nyina no abrante be ne beka fie ababa wa be ne beka fie
the construction for ni nyina so ka ho
se construction no de eye se ma contract se ko yi kwan now kwa ubaye adwuma kopem sa ade beche because ye kwa abrochire anadwo a wada nyina na road contractors ye dey ye adwuma enti so ofa nipa 100 na ya and now all run 24-hour economy obefa nipa 300
yes still bend for bibiri adwuma mason adwuma carpenter adwuma
in fact a man no cross one so nyina benya adwuma ye dey aye enti na uka 24-hour economy na nipa do nyina age so say 24-hour economy was Obia Bedidi.
That's an underemployed for no more.
You see, underemployed no. We mo young crofwa. Omo ya adwuma na so adwuma na omo ye no. Omo ka twa omo nya ye ketekete a enso wo mo. Saafo we no. Sa wo ka omo ya adwuma ye ka wo mo ka ho. Na sika omo nya free mu no. Enye sika eso wo ba bia. But sa the 24-hour economy no ba. Eye adwuma etwa wo ka kama. Sa ne ba ya obia ehun ba ye dey ebeto no. Enti saafo we in fact, World Bank say, Oba Ghana ha your youth no 50% eye underemployed.
That's why you adwuma so it said the only
adwuma.
Oja ketua na onfa nya. Oh.
Obi adwuma wa ye no. Etimi ntua na ka sika enko adwuma no mu bosome. Enso onya adwuma nya nti, yesa wa ye no sa.
It said the yakoso wa bruchire no under 24-hour economy adwuma no so wa hoden kwa betima ye mienu.
In fact, ma men kan no krebin chiro. Me ko sama daf bi US. Me ko ye no ano papa no so ko adwuma. Oba no so watwa 8 hours a week to be rest. Woda kakra no san so ko ye 5 hours bi wa ha. Aba oye miensa. Ansa no ye 2 hours. Owi ansa no san be dey aba rest. Enti say ye system no sa obia benya bibi kakra ya. Ono so ebenya bibi adie ama enti akuafo be benefit senti akuafo be benefit say ya ye factory no to banche e dia ye starch enya kuani na edua banche starch factory no ofa nipa bebre nya akuafo mai ni omnananom e na ofa omadwuma so kuani na nya sika kakra fi na adwuma yi mu ne ba nana so anya adwuma ye dey aya se ne ho mfa na obetimi so aye dey ahwe ne bi onim se anwa a mo ye hwe anwa ye import ba Ghana ha your company say ya anwani bi wo ha say ye boa mo ma mo ezin fase no munya sabosia na on be ba mu kase anwan bi ho the sunflower seed no e na eye enti farmers na dua sunflower no ye to mo sunflower seed no e de aye oil no na mo man so ye dey enya adwuma ye dey aye afa traders obi a wo ton ade wo ma mu bia no se se amchira ba adwadifo su ne se amanfo ni sika ne ato ade enti udi dwa bia ye free kra ye ntimi ntua na udwa no ye dey egu na sɛ mmeranteɛ no ba ne na abɔnten dodoɔ no nyinaa nya adwuma yɛ a ɛna obiara se wɔtɔ adeɛ nkakrakra who would then complain so obiara complain wodi si wa obiara bɛtɔ bi ama ayɛ dɛ ayɛ yie
ɔrɔ bɛti mpanyinfoɔ bi nsɛm wa na wɔka kyerɛ me no
na students no so ɛha no hia me na me deɛ hia me ne sɛ ɔn sɛ nkura bebree hɔ ɔkɔ school a ɔno ana hwɛ ne ho obi wɔ hɔ a nɛgye a meba ha obi frɛ me ne problem paa ne sɛ na accommodation onya sika ntua nti wɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔno meti dua bi ase so amoa me a menya baabi a mɛda madamfo a meda ne nkyɛn no watu me mesrɛ boam na menya dan ɛnam saa kora wei sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a 24-hour economy yɛyɛ a kaya ma kwan no obetumi akɔpɛ adwuma bi ayɛ hours kakra 8 hours bi na wɔde abɔbɔ sika no ebebie school no na wɔnyɛ sika no de atua no bela obi ahu problem bi a wɔwɔ basame saa 24-hour economy sɛ yɛbɔ no tɔfa a ɛte sɛ wobɔbra na wagyegye bosia mɛka amene wo na woyɛ ho hwie nyɛ yie na watena se ana ase dabi sɛ maanyere me ho anya adwumaden a ɛka bɛkume enti first na meyɛ adwuma 8 hours pɛ ɛnɛ deɛ kanti mɛyɛ adwuma no 16 hours na mada 8 hours
asɛm yɛ me de sisu bie ma me si ha no so bie ma me ma wuza wo bon sɛm no tɔfa si ha
no tɔfa pa ni kyɛ sɛ meyɛ adwuma na misika nsome ti magyegye bosia mayɛ reckless kakra ameka abedware me sesi awo ha nakafo ba bra kofi agye sika bra fam sika ma me nya ɛna matena se na hu sɛ adwuma na meyɛ 8 hours pɛ no misika me nya bosum bia yɛ 2000 Ghana 2000 Ghana nsome ɛna maka we adɔ me sɛ deɛ menya 8 hours bi onka ho na menya 16 hours na last 8 hours na me fa na sɛ bɛyɛ a menya 4000 de a sɛ mepɛ loan kra wɔ banka na me de atua me ho ka na ma yɛ free enti so because 24-hour economy enye ya na onte ase because 24-hour economy no de aka ne sɛ Ghana bɛyɛ adwuma wɔ abra ɔman no nyɛ dɛ ɛna adwumaden nya de obi ameda
why any tia and very
enti wo se me sisi bɛsɛ me yɛ adwumaden ya wo se enye me nya kwadwofo
me na me nya kwadwofo na me na na ka ne me ya oh ona me da ase ya da ase pa
afei ebinom se niema ekura ye kan omo se NDC for say 24-hour economy enye ye demand ni ho ade no nya de nkofo pato a wo se me ko produce same ya man awrehosem ne se bibia ni ho anyame anche Ghana bi enso niema bebre ye krefra but unim se me kokura ye kra Ghana kra mako ko 2024 budget aban we de bre paragraph 401 emako ye kra ba Ghana no estimate a eye $355 million ene de kra mako ba Ghana ha ye kra toilet roll ye kra enwo almost everything esichire bibia ye kra ba o memu so say nei aniema ye kra no ye produce ye boama producers e wa ha no ye ma omu sika from the Exim Bank na ya ma omu tax incentive na ya jeje won so amoma tua produce more afa nipa bebra produce more na ya ka say de adi no ha ba na ya teso ama ye ho atoya we so si demand ni ho
eni ho
eno so free
all right
it is our candia na yes a 24-hour economy no eye ade a ebeje oman because ehia sika kase bia na ye aye eye just adwene ena nyame de ache yewura John Dramani Mahama ena
onyame na
de amano
and the time for the 24-hour economy is now and no force on earth can stop an idea whose time
na tamu eba ye no oboss no
okay
enipa bebre aka ho asem we sorry a we say oh eye pa TUC
was a game changer
we say ade we die nyam mesi enka no kre ota okodu a no yinimrika say 24-hour economy power Ghana de a game changer
e ka TUC a eye
Congress
Ghana nyina ku ba kan ide omunya NDC fo
Ghana adwumayefo a nyina kuo no age atum say ba bi agina sesi aye ansa no manwe be free ahokyere mu no just a 24-hour
ko onim kakra ma me ansa na ye de asi ko onim kakra we mu so ye mfo a
we say so ye guta guta so omo president akasa won so say eye 24-hour economy no eye papa
wow ono aboko onim kakra mse kakra wo ho ya ti guta for the we mu so ye mfo ni
we say so ye aye
Institute for Economic Affairs.
Yes.
Almost so say.
Onso amo de, what the policy be about? Na o ma hwehwem. Enya no maka say dabi policy we dey.
Hana na ma be G mensa ye adwuma.
Hana na
electoral commission ba.
Oye adwuma.
And almost 24-hour economy.
Almost 24-hour economy we dey e de enwuma be ba Ebema unemployment na akoso.
Regiments a bit my 24-hour economy ambassador. Oh, Abuama.
Ghana News Agency. Federation of Labour Support 24/7 economy proposal. Federation of Labour.
Okay.
Almost say minia.
Honorable Fabako Kaho.
Me Fabako Kaho. Okay. Labour unions. Adwumayɛfoɔ akua wɔ ɔman na ɔmo sɛ dwamama yɛbɔ aba so 24-hour economy ɛno deɛ ɛdi paa afei deɛ schoolfoɔ a ɛwɔ Ghana nyinaa news wɔn mu ku baatan mmeranteɛ no ma bɛyɛ wɔ schools no a ɛbɛwie abɛpɛ adwuma no wɔn se 24-hour economy deɛ yɛgye tum ɛyɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ nti mi nua aberanteɛ ababaawa baabi a wɔwɔ Ghana ha biara ɛne amano no nyinaa one more approach them is a 24-hour economy. Papa. Yanya wahano. 24-hour economy. Any idea to any mean. Way and a bema wajuma. When a bema wants so. When we saw dachi. I will memu. When I also bet me a yini. I have bema. I have ba. I have a wofo. I have ma. I have umianum and ubia. It will be any ayosum. Na 24-hour economy there. Ubia ebedidi. Madam Wase.
Honorable Eric Opoko. Onyamisha
papa
enyememu ada ho na we part 1 because 24-hour economy there yewura Mahama da yeso wo ma o my Ghana no eno na so wo mu pa eno nti ubesan so ababie ma ya part 2 ni aye part 3 na babie ne yantimi amfa nchichimu na amfa nyina no ye afa busu na da ho no obia se ye enye se ye NDC amanyofo enti ne ye ka de ye ka wate de adwumayefo o Ghana nyina kubatan aka adwadifo nyina de omo aka Edisuanfo labor unions mate de omaka asem no mu nchirichire mu ni nokre eye baako wei ene ade a ebema Ghana ye krabehwe ebema adwuma buso impuntu aba ama Ghana afa ne toma pefra ene to obi catch us 24-hour economy ama so a city who ye de part 2 on this 24-hour economy no edebebro hwe we ma misisi aye ba ye beto adwumadie no so.
We are also very interested and we are eager to know a lot more about his great idea of a 24-hour economy. I think this one, comrade, you have to take your time. Because I can imagine the amount of jobs that this kind of thing will create. That could be the game changer. I'm telling you that you have opportunities in this country. We work 24 hours, 3 shifts. So if you don't get a job in the morning, you can get it in the afternoon or in the night. So where are the young people? Get ready for jobs.
And Your Excellency, let me give you one thing about your 24-hour economy. I think we had a program at School of Mass Communication. It was live. And I've actually thank you for this. At that time, people were just opposing. I said, no. If even you say that it is already there, there's nothing wrong for us to enhance it. And there's more that we can do in the night. There's more that we can do in the night. There are so many things that are creating nuisance in the afternoon. A lot of them. That when you go to Opera Square, when you go to Kantamanto, when you go to Okanshi, in the afternoon where people are shuttling around, that's where we are offloading our goods. And so it made the place very congested and can. So, Your Excellency, let's think about the things that create nuisance in the day and put them in the night. So, it shouldn't be difficult for us to say that when you are clearing your goods within the weekdays where market is going on, unless maybe it is Sunday, those times you have to come after 6. Some of these things have been there.
Abuzafo yede obi ase ene yakasa fa moment of truth katahye ne proye ho 24-hour economy no so yede hu nchiremu ama on NDC and you. This is lest we forget. In the next few minutes yebe kakaye ho ensem bi a ehia se yekai. And then what are we talking about? Yekasa about etwo taxation. Because for etwo eyade or my bia mu ebi ho. No country can do without taxation. And fa woni sika wo nyame dia chew as o man ana besia wo bebo e wo so man fu tuato. And it na Yesu kra wo tuato. No can say give what belongs to Caesar and what belongs to God. NDC amanyoku ayentiato. Ye hia pa wo to nkomu we mu ne se aban ne to a wo de babia no emmro so na emu omanfo ekomu. Na de hia pa biem ne se sa to a aban ne begege afi ye ho no ode aye nyema pa edi mpuntuo ahoto ne ye yo bebo man ni mu na Ghana ni bia nya so mfaso enu tie ne ye baba behwe ensem ba ko mienu bia MPP fo ene omo kandifo mo frankatufo owura ba wo mi a oyo mampenya be de akiri mprempren na Ghana sika sem nyina ono ne hye ne nsa chairman of the economic management team emra omo opposition no ensem ben no mo kan about it na nei omo ba omo disu ana. You see, our work here as the opposition is to hold the government accountable, is to hold the feet of government to the fire of accountability. So contraria omo ne Ghana for share on the 7th of December 2016, 7th of December 2020 no omu disi ana omu niso. It is a refi the Uraba womia kan about etwo and ayura Mahama hwete pu mame.
Tax issue is a major issue because if you are so fixated on revenue, you will essentially end up hurting your production. And so if you go back into history, you study the economic history of United States, Germany, England, all of them have used the tax policy to encourage production. And this is why we are saying that, today you have a situation in Ghana, unbelievable situation, when businesses are out on strike. Businesses who should be selling are out on strike. Why are they out on strike? Because they've been overburdened by taxes. And if you don't take care, you'll be chasing the tax revenue and killing businesses. And when you kill businesses, it means you are causing unemployment. And so if you go back, this is why Nana Akufo-Addo is saying, we need to mobilize financial resources. So why are you going to be imposing VAT on financial services? It doesn't make sense in a country which has got a very large unbanked population and we want people to bank. We will abolish that, he says. We will abolish import duty on all raw materials because that has been a policy that will help production. Let the businesses produce. Let them make profit. And when they make profit and employ people, we will get income taxes and we will get corporate taxes. So you don't go ahead to kill the business. No, let them bring in the raw materials. Let them produce.
The MPP will shift the focus of economic policy away from taxation to production. So we are going to move away from taxation to production. From taxation to production.
Mama nsem ni bi na mwatie ne mrenti kakra we ni ebetimi abo akyerɛw. Matibi omoka se omo be move from taxation to production. Oraba wo mi ase jo ma amani mamamuo omo number ni timu eden. Enti na ode VAT ne taxes ato yen so. Na omo de omo ba omo ntotuo mu. Omo ba beteteto so ama Ghana fo adwuma etimi akoso production akoso. Enti yen hwe de omo ye. We are just part 1 of taxation to production. Abujanfo Yeraba Womie ya ono na ye chairman of the economic management team. What say ye boss obe move here from taxation to production. Abenyi etwo ba ko a Yeraba Womia e de aba beto ye so ene etwo ye friend COVID-19 levy. Etwo 2022 na ban de ba ye. Ya chemu mienu 1% on VAT. VAT na ba Womia say ni se yetum no or the COVID levy atoso 3%. Internet VAT flat rate about 4%. Wasanso the COVID-19 levy no at national health insurance levy so amana fi 2.5% about 3.5%. Nabusuya what be da? Say yare ababe kum nipa se wono aduane ase wonyuma. Na ukwa aman bi so a omo mpanyimfo kra ema omanfo sika. so one asene se ne be ya or how ayare ne ba ye no o betumi anya no pu masibre no ye nko de ya ban se yare no ma san so de ama ye tax. The question you must ask yourself ne say COVID-19 nya yare di kan abagana anya bia ye wo malaria levy ana ye wo HIV levy ye wo cholera levy ana. There is no government in the world I never charging a man for COVID levy. I just will rubber with me, chairman of the economic management team. Number 2, ye what your friend 1.5% e-levy. No matter why 1%. And now what chiraba Ghana? Uhieni or bretiti ni moremu or ye juma kakra or say me send bibi ama meba me send 500 bi ama minua and mi busu ani bi. O send ya na ba womia what 1% of the amount e-levy. And this e-levy abama ya titi Ghana fo bebre sika, yet this is the same bawomia in 2020 okachre say momo de eye hiafo eni yiso intenisi ye de to eto momu so enne ye de e-levy ato momu so omo ye online nyuma nyina ye de e-levy agu omo so omo nyuma egu intene Jumia fo omo free Ghana, Glovo fo e free Ghana, omo ya anwen Wilma omo free Ghana, Unilever for a free Ghana. Banks are living because of all these taxes we are talking about. And when these companies are folding up, what it means, they say, companies in now there is this financial sector cleanup tax. Na banks bi ahon den wo fom. Enna mnyema boni bia na ebinum ayenyo munyina. Na nka aban no betumi de Ghana sika 9 billion cedis asave omo. That's why buying no say or the 22 billion ebegu ebesi. Oh, Chelsea be 2, Manchester be 1. No wenya bibi kakra amanesa akona no. And also so abawomia chairman of the economic management team say meje 10%. Abusuafo yen kama ne hwa. The Ewura John Dramani Mahama e kan say e-levy eyesisie to ebu adwene ntiase so. Say yenyame ne pe na ye na dom ne to abama no a obeyi afi ho. Eye betting tax ya make ho asemi. Ewura Mahama say eye nyame adom ne ye ne mwa ne to abama no a eno so obeyi afi ho. Oka ye pe kope fo Ewura bawomia nkontompo hine na otwa ntro odi kan ono so akwa bi say betting tax in e-levy obeyi afi ho. Na wo e-levy wa na wo de baaye producers mo mama John Boadu asem no former general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Na asem wa okan about the e-levy. If producers can give that to me, many bejepa. Give me what John Boadu said on the e-levy. John Boadu, the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party at the time e-levy was passed. Na abayi mpenyinfo cabinet ishia take decisions are otiwobino. Na semni o say bawomia is in full support of e-levy. Na wada no hwanu makokoni ko atifi ko hunusuo no aba na afo bebisa wa wakofa wo e-levy aba no ene what say Mahama so betwa e-levy nti so betwam ada na wontwam ne because onya akufo ado no aneka wo say wiase bunyansa nyina wutim na wo or the economy no ahye wonsam entabusuafo mamoma obi emfa 6 ena ne 9 biem mamoma kalo te say de medi kankan no kwatre kwase obema ntoma tie ne din bawomia be hye ebesi so akwa ye den kwa hye ma emfie nwotwini oba fa afura akwa wafa ne ba ma ne ba ekọ JSS se nka obetumi move from taxation to production nko waye obetumi atete eto so nko waye enye nne ya aka aban ni injury time na omunim se omufura konwa so na kro no omabọ no omadapa adaadi ene yebe ma omode adokodoko sem ene yesichiri sem ensemo a eye adokodoko sem adada yen enuti masem a medija wunyina ne se hwe wasitinem na to abapa producer mame antem ne yemfansi hwe wasitinem na to abapa se enyema koyi a wonim se enyema nkoyi a wonim eno ti hwe wasetenam na fa to abapa. Give me the anthem. Therefore, and see, this brings us to the end of the maiden edition of NDC 360. Minim say uhwe dwumadi wasua bibi. Na de mede beja wo nyina ne say yama Ghana hodo ehia ye. De ye nyina your mind Ghana ntia. We don't have any other country but Ghana. Maybe your mind ne kono yansori nyina na yansesa nyema mu a o mind no ebebo. But we have an opportunity come 7 December 2024 to make a change. But before you can participate in this, before you can make this change, remember, say wukukrumuti eni utumi. Your vote is your power. Mene woka say about what commission trading, ye voter registration. Ye certain nanu ye etwemi from 7th of May to the 27th of May. Weekend si nyina me da kwese da ka ho. Anopa no nson kosi anwumre no sia. Ubetumi akọ EC district office bia na wakọ akọtwe wudin sa afa na wadi emfie du nwotwe na wuni udini abato nwomanimu wuni voters ID card that this is your time. Go and register so that you can vote for change. Vote for Mahama. Vote for us to come and rebuild Ghana so that we can create the Ghana we want together. My name is Sammy Gyamfi, Yachiame Hinema NDC Amanyoko. This is NDC 360 and we shall be meeting again come next week, Wednesday, same time, 8 p.m. Make a date with me. Midobiase.